Namaste. I'm Jivin, Assistant Professor of Journalism Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will learn what is editing and reporting. So let's begin. In this topic we will learn to know the different types of leads, to understand the techniques of rewriting, to understand the meaning of news agency copy, to discuss the news values and the topics of news writing. The main components of news reporting are the body and the lead. A news story is mostly written in inverted most important facts more come first, followed by the other facts in the order of significance. This inverted pyramid style has held over the years as it helps to the readers who don't have enough time to read the whole story. It also helps the sub editors who can easily delete the story from the tail without readability. Journalism has activity, the reporting of events, statistics, who, what, when, when, and how. 5W and 1H, and explaining the significance and effect of events of trains. Journalism exists in the number of media: newspaper, television, radio, magazines, the most recently the World Wide Web through the internet. News reporting is the type of journalism typically written or broadcast in news style. Most news investigated and presented by journalists or news reporters and can be distributed to agency. News is often reported by the variety of stories and sources such as newspapers, television, and radio programs, services, and websites. Reporter is a type of journalist who research and present information in certain type of in certain type of mass media. Reporters gather gather information in a variety of ways, including tips, press release, and witnessing events. They perform research through interviews, public records, and other sources. The information gathering part of the job is sometimes called reporting. As from the production part of the job, such as articles, reporters generally split their time between working and going out to witness events and interview people. Most reporters working for major media outlets are assigned an area, events, or focus on. Major news media outlined an area to focus on, called a beat or patch. They are encouraged to sources to improve their information gathering. News report are classified into two board types: straight news report, and second is investigative or interpretative news reports. Straight news reports present what has happened in the straightforward, factual, and clear manner. They draw no conclusions nor offer any options. There is no attempt to probe deeper than the surface happening, or they provide elaborate background information, or even examine claims made. The main sources are government official, elite groups, news agencies, eminent people, businessmen, and others. Both these type of news stories present the claims without in any way to trying to question or rebut, but or ask why. Investigative reports, on the other hand, would make an effort to go behind the claims and see how valid they are. The report, happening in depth, present fairly all sides of the pictures in the context of the situations, and generally put some meaning into the news so that the reader is better able to analyze that event, yeah, the event. Disaster stories, feminism and flood हो गया, get prides of in the daily press, and these provided many human interest stories. Developments in science, industry, and agriculture are increasingly coming to be considered as interesting news, as also exposure of corruption in high places. The the lower classes and worker and social justice in inequalities resulting from the social economics and political structure of course. All the news reports reported is not news of highest interest in the everybody. Politics interests some, sports others, crime still others, Bollywood alag, and however, it is the rare the new that newspapers touch in the information needs and interest of the poorer section of the society. Dog bites a man, isn't it news? Man bites dog is. So goes and probably as old as journalism itself. Like many such saying, it it consults as much as reveal. People watch television and read the newspapers because they want to know about the happening and events around them. They want to gather all the news from around the world. Next is functions and responsibilities. Function and responsibilities. The press is independent of government. Governments are composed of human beings, and human beings can and do commit wrongs. The press and government should not become institutional partners. They are natural advertisers with the different functions, and each must respect the role of other. Sometimes free press can be annoyance and embarrassment to a particular government, but that is the one who that is the one of the prices of liberty. A free press is responsible to its readers and to them alone. Independence is the very heart of the any statement of ethical principles respecting the conduct of the press. The proprietors of the newspaper may choose to ally allow ally in with ally it with the particular political party or interest, but an increasing number of newspapers and journals are politically independent as well as independent of government. This means not that they refrain off from the all from endorsing a certain political party or candidate for public office, but rather that they owe no 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 prior allegiance, and then they make the endorsements voluntary as an exercise of their independence. From this, it follows that independent press must cherish that role by resisting pressure of all kind of from local as well as national government, from special interest groups in the community, for powerful individuals, from advertisers. This is the noble standard that is easy for a large well financed newspapers to risk that the displeasure of the particular interest group of advertiser, but on a small paper where the support of such as an advertiser of or interest has a direct bearing of the ability of management to meet a payroll, and it takes courage to resist pressure. From this also follows the point that the newspaper and its staff should exemplify independence in their actions. Not only they be independent in fact, but also they must they must be seen to be independent. A newspaper that rewards its friends with the unwarranted flattering stories, fawning editorials will not long be respected. A newspaper whose reporters are also are on the payroll of a special interest group, or who accept free tips for or lavish gifts, will it find too hard be convincing, and its uh, criticism of corruption or other unethical practices, not practices, it is practices in the government. Occasionally newspaper attempt to justify the acceptance of gifts or services. Our reliable reporters will be hardly be corrupt, admittedly. In small communities, journalists sometimes make encounter of sometimes make encounters of problems in maintaining an independent role. They are pressured to participate in volunteer services in clubs and and business association, and even in local government. Conflicts of the interest may arise frequently. Journalists cannot accept to be walled apart from the community in which they live, but neither can they serve two masters with the opposing interest. A delegate editor or a reporter will at least be aware of the conflict and keep his and her personal responsibility formed foremost in mind. A newspaper has the right to be captious and partisan and untruthful, or whatever else its cons- conscience allowed to be, and through newspaper are unanswerable to the law and label within a very large compass. They continue to set their own responsibility. The underlying laying idea of that is from the clash of opinions and ideas presented by free press, ultimately something resembling truth emerged in practice. However truth does not does however the truth does not always emerge unless someone digs it out, and there is no single there is no single patent version of what consist what truth. And in a community where only one newspaper exists, a reader may not encounter differing opinions unless the newspaper chooses to present them. Radio and television are not always effective substitutes. Today we will learn what is reporting. In the next video we will learn writing news. Thank you.